Welcome to Discovery Depot YT. Today, we're guiding you through the essentials of digital currency, how to set up your first wallet and make your first transaction. Whether you're new to the world of crypto or looking to understand how digital currency differs from traditional money, you've come to the right place. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech insights. The world of finance is changing. Digital currency is at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine a global system operating 24/7 where transactions happen directly without intermediaries. This is the promise of digital currency, a form of money that exists solely in digital form. Unlike traditional currency, digital currency is not controlled by governments or financial institutions. This decentralization offers several advantages. Transactions are faster, often settling in minutes. Fees are typically lower, especially for international transfers. Transparency is enhanced, with transactions recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. Digital currency empowers individuals. It offers a way to participate in a global financial system without traditional barriers. Whether you are new to the world of finance or a seasoned investor, understanding digital currency is essential in today's rapidly evolving landscape. Digital currencies, also known as cryptocurrencies, are digital representations of value. They are not physical objects like banknotes or coins. Instead, they exist as data on a network of computers. This digital nature allows for near instantaneous transactions and borderless transfers. One key feature of digital currencies is their cryptographic security. Cryptography uses complex mathematical algorithms to secure transactions and protect against counterfeiting. This makes digital currencies highly secure and resistant to fraud. There are thousands of different digital currencies, each with its unique characteristics. Some of the most well-known include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These currencies can be used for a variety of purposes, from online purchases to investments. At the heart of most digital currencies lies blockchain technology. A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. This ledger is public and transparent, meaning anyone can view the transaction history. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures security and immutability. Each transaction is verified and added to the blockchain through a process called mining. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This tamper-proof record-keeping system fosters trust and accountability. It eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks, to verify and process transactions. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize not only finance, but also other industries such as supply chain management, healthcare, and voting. Before you can start using digital currency, you need a digital wallet. A digital wallet is a software application that allows you to store, send, and receive digital currency. It's crucial to choose a reputable wallet provider that prioritizes security. There are various types of wallets available, each catering to different needs. Software wallets are applications that you install on your computer or smartphone. Hardware wallets are physical devices specifically designed for storing digital currency offline. Online wallets are web-based platforms that offer convenience but may have lower security. Consider your security preferences and how you plan to use digital currency when choosing a wallet. Research different providers, look for user reviews, and compare features to find the best fit for you. Setting up your first digital wallet is easier than you might think. Let's walk through the process using a popular and user-friendly software wallet as an example. First, choose a reputable wallet provider. Research and select a wallet provider known for its security and ease of use. Look for features like two-factor authentication and a user-friendly interface. Next, download and install the app. Visit the provider's website or your device's app store to download the wallet application. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer or smartphone. Now create your wallet. Launch the app and click on Create New Wallet. You'll be prompted to set a strong password and back up your recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for regaining access to your wallet if you forget your password or lose your device. Some wallet providers may require you to verify your identity as part of their Know Your Customer or KYC procedures. This typically involves submitting a photo of your government-issued ID and a selfie. Once you've completed these steps, your digital wallet is ready to use. You can start receiving, sending, and managing your digital currency securely. Making your first transaction, navigating the world of digital payments. With your digital wallet set up, you're ready to experience the speed and efficiency of digital currency transactions. Let's illustrate with a simple example: buying a product online. First, select digital currency as your payment method at checkout. The online store will provide you with their wallet address, a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet. Next, open your digital wallet. Access your wallet app and navigate to the send or transfer section. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully, double-checking for any errors. Then enter the amount of digital currency you wish to send, ensuring it matches the purchase amount. Some wallets allow you to choose the transaction fee, with higher fees typically resulting in faster processing times. Finally, review the transaction details, including the recipient's address and the amount. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction. Your digital currency will be sent to the recipient's wallet. Transactions usually take a few minutes to process, depending on network traffic. You can track the status of your transaction within your wallet app. Security measures safeguarding your digital wealth. Security is paramount in the world of digital currency. By following these essential tips, you can protect your digital assets from potential threats. First, use strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for your digital wallet and other online accounts. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Second, beware of phishing scams. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or websites that ask for your wallet credentials or personal information. Legitimate providers will never ask for your private keys. Third, keep your software updated. Regularly update your digital wallet software to benefit from the latest security patches and bug fixes. Use reputable antivirus software on your devices. Lastly, store offline when possible. For large holdings, consider using a hardware wallet or cold storage options. These methods store your digital currency offline, significantly reducing the risk of online attacks. By prioritizing security and staying informed about potential risks, you can confidently navigate the digital currency landscape. Staying ahead of the curve, the evolving landscape of digital currency. The world of digital currency is constantly evolving. New technologies, regulations, and applications emerge regularly, shaping the future of finance. Staying informed is crucial for navigating this dynamic landscape. Follow reputable news sources, industry blogs, and thought leaders to stay abreast of the latest developments. Attend webinars, conferences, and online forums to engage with the community and expand your knowledge. As you delve deeper into the world of digital currency, you'll encounter concepts like decentralized finance or DeFi, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and the metaverse. Embrace the learning process, ask questions, and explore the vast potential that digital currency offers. Conclusion: embracing the future of finance with confidence. Digital currency is transforming the way we think about money and finance. From its decentralized nature to its potential for financial inclusion, digital currency offers a glimpse into the future of a more equitable and accessible financial system. By understanding the fundamentals of digital currency, setting up your digital wallet, and prioritizing security, you can confidently participate in this exciting revolution. Embrace the possibilities, stay informed, and be part of shaping the future of finance.